राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में नेशनल टीवी चैनल कात्यायनी पर आप सभी राष्ट्रवासियों का स्वागत।
आज वैज्ञानिक और औद्योगिकी अनुसंधान परिषद CSIR का 80वां स्थापना दिवस है। इस अवसर पर दिल्ली में आयोजित हुए कार्यक्रम में भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति M वेंकैया नायडू व केंद्रीय विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी राज्य मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह भी उपस्थित रहे। अपने संबोधन में उपराष्ट्रपति ने परिषद को खुद को भविष्य केंद्रित करते हुए विज्ञान के उच्च स्तर तक जाने की सलाह दी। वहीं केंद्रीय मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह ने CSIR सहित सभी वैज्ञानिक संस्थाओं से भारत को वैश्विक रूप से प्रतिस्पर्धी बनाने की दिशा में कार्य करने का आह्वान किया।
With the Prime Minister who gave it the three-line mantra, reform, perform and transform, transformation of the nation for betterment of the nation. That is the guiding principle. And then fortunately we also have a very good minister who has got wide knowledge and variety of subjects. Sometimes I wonder the way he answers questions in Rajya Sabha. He tells them and gives them more than they want. Members want to know more, but he will give them more and more also. Because he knows the subject, he is thorough with the subject. And also is a keen learner. And then goes around the country, understand the problems. You are fortunate to have such a minister.
And when we celebrate the 80 years of CSIR, sir, we are actually celebrating a very rich legacy which has given India some of the best technologies in the world. And each of the 37 labs under the aegis of CSIR today qualifies in one or the other specialty and has contributed in one or the other way. This one being one of the earliest labs where we are sitting this morning, one of the first 5 labs in the country. The other one, as a pleasant coincidence, was that of Jammu, sir, which was founded by none less than Colonel Ramnath Chopra, who is now popularly also referred to as father of pharmacology in India. But overall, there have been technologies in addition which have given India a place of pride. The menthol mint, which is popular all over the world, sir, was developed in the Jammu laboratory under Sir Ramnath Chopra. The Indian Standard Time was determined using atomic clock by the CSIR. And more recently, the concept of Purple Revolution, the Roma mission, has also been given. COVID management and COVID research. It is the CSIR which was actually, even before COVID came in, already conducting trials on drugs like Remdesivir. And now we are in the process of setting up more dedicated laboratories across the country. Under Prime Minister Modi, ladies and gentlemen, over the last 7 years, there has been a special impetus on different scientific programs. The budget funding has improved, and Prime Minister's personal intervention has enabled us to carry forward several of the programs which possibly were not very high. I firmly believe that the ultimate objective of any scientific program is to bring ease of living in the life of a citizen. And therefore, in order to enable that, I have to thank the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He has helped us come out of several taboos of the past. Dr. Monday was referring to atomic energy. For years together, the atomic energy program was functioning behind a wheel of secrecy. Today, under Prime Minister Modi, we have taken a decision to enter into joint ventures. Also, similarly, the unlocking of the space and allowing private players into space technology is also something which was unimaginable till a few years ago. But it was Prime Minister Modi's out-of-box thinking which enabled us to go ahead.
सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में हम आपसे आज यही विदा लेते हैं। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, वंदे मातरम, जाग उठा है भारत।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम। हम